Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and this is about creating a lattice work that looks like the pieces are going underneath. And this is nothing special. I did nothing, I just made blocks. So these are just individual blocks that are, right on the mark, so they won't leak or anything's perfect. But this is really about the attribute eyedropper tool. So what we're going to do, we're going to take, in the outside ones, you'd have to do a little bit different, but all your interior ones that you're going to want to have dark and light, if you'll select your item and go to your interactive fill tool, and you pretty much go from line to line, and then bring in a black and put it on that line, it's going to turn it all black, and then kind of double click on your item and hit white, and a lot of times it doesn't work. So you have to go back and then get right on that line. Sometimes it's hard to, there we go, have to actually move that X out of the way. So you've got this. So that looks like it's going in the next one. Well, here's what's so cool. Instead of trying to reduplicate that, you can go to your attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that and go all the way across the board. And like I said, your exterior one, you'd have to do a little different because, they only have a shadow on one side. But real quickly, you could do this. Now, what's so good about this is that you could make a copy of this and you could rotate it 90 degrees and get your attribute eyedropper tool again and take a sample of that. And now you can do the other ones because it's going the opposite direction. You can't use the same one because of the fact that it's, it's going left to right instead of up and down. So very easily you could do this. Like I said, on this one, you just have to change. And that wouldn't be so hard because you could actually go around and sample that and put it in that, and then go back to your interactive fill tool, have that one selected, and then just, make this one black and, well, we actually need to make them, I don't know if you can take that away. Yep, you can delete that one. And then we'll just, so I don't know if that's the way it would look. No, we still need to have it going under. So let's go get our interactive fill tool. So I should have just changed this one to a lighter color. So it looks like it's going underneath there. And of course you don't get the shininess because you don't, and you could probably do that a little bit. You could probably, let's just do it. Let's add another one kind of close to it. There we go. Maybe not quite as dark or not quite as light. Just doesn't look quite as good, but then you can finish off with the attribute eyedropper, all the other ones, your outside ones. Pretty cool, pretty fast how that works. And, if you had a humongous page, you could just delete those and well, let's just do this real quick. Attribute eyedropper. Well, in this particular case, we would want that on all of them. And then take a sample of, and I'm not going to change that one. Get the, I'm going to hit the pick tool and go back to that attribute eyedropper. And we're going to take a sample of that and put it there and there. So if you had a lot of these, and I probably deleted, one more just to make it look good. Of course, that would be an outside one. And then maybe Control G to group it together and, whoop, I didn't Control D it. So you could do a whole page a lot quicker. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.